Jason,
Yes.
you don't have a German QL in your collection.
I don't think we do. No, we've got the American one, which has got the same back as yours.
It's a donation to. I donate this to the museum.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really?
Wow.
The only thing not good is I put for remembering me a card in it. The keyboard membrane is not working, and somebody screwed a hole in the top to adjust the modulator.
Right.
But
I see.
with fluid plastic, this is repairable.
Yeah.
You put the sticker on top and from the back.
Yep.
And other than that, it's complete and almost pristine.
Wow. Thank you.
Yeah.
That's absolutely amazing. Yeah. I'll tell that guy over there, Adrian. And Adrian will do a donation form, so it's all recorded and everything.
Whatever you like to do.
Yeah, so firstly, Urs is donating the German Sinclair Research. We've got the American one, British obviously, which is fantastic. Can we get a picture?
Yeah, we can do an official picture for the website for wherever.
Yeah, absolutely. I'll just do these at once. This is going to play this.
I might have.
So, how did you come to these?
Since I got the ZX81 back in the I've been kind of custom it ever since. Go into the microphone.
Yeah, Jason as well.
They were wonderful. Collected bits and pieces back then. Yeah.
So, Chas, how are we going to do this? Do you get, put your hand. So we've got this hand, but I need that one. Do you see what I mean?
Yeah,
I've got that.
Yeah, I mean, I've been collecting various leaflets as well, but I mean, I haven't got any to that level. I've got a few press photos.
Come on. Hit go on.
That didn't want to take it. Might be the same chapter to you.
That's fantastic.
For the that it's not lost, I put everything inside. Before, and then I just give one screw, and the other screws are in this one.
Yeah.
That's the way I store them as well, because when you need to check something inside,
Just get into it
screws
quick. Yeah, absolutely.
Old school.
That's really fantastic. Very, very much indeed. That'll be.
And then I think that's the actual.
Yeah, put it on display whenever it matches your agenda.
Yeah, absolutely. We asked Jeremy to do the donation form. I'll catch up with you in a minute because I've got to display next time. Really, thank you very much indeed. Yeah, great, fantastic. I really appreciate it.
Yeah,
thank you.
Thanks.
Don't have a card, so
That's all right.
I can't
Just email me.
And just remind me of your name again. It's Paul Farrell. Paul Farrell. Right. Yeah, it's good to keep in contact with people that are really keen. You'll find my website.
Let me just home in on it, because I'll go home and then I'll think, why didn't I ask him to write it down?
I get it. I think we can skip the video because nobody.
How long have you been interested in?
Since 82,
Stand up from the seat, you know.
Jim was here, Jim was
We can skip the video because nobody will stand up from
still
the
a
seat.
student at the time.
They sit inside.
Finished school.
No, it's funny on that anyway.
Yeah.
Thursday, can we come to an interview tomorrow?
I don't know.
And we'll add a card. If you have
Yeah, probably.
If it's got sound out there.
No, there is no.
Yeah,
you